So I just picked up a new Hoover from the brand Hoover. It's really light, it's only 2.9 kgs and has lots of good stuff like lightweight and LED lights, and also if you have a house pet, it should be always like helpful for them, and the battery is good, etc. So after researching like about 2 weeks about the Hoovers, I choose this one and unpacking them. Oops, let's see if it's gonna work out with one hand. It was really light. I picked up it from the shop and I didn't even need a car because it's only 2.9 kgs, and I brought it with the subway. So unpackaging first. Let's see what it is. Okay, that's the adapter. That's the adapter, and the next one. That's the hose. And this is probably the docking station. And oh, I guess I'm gonna need my 2 hands to take this out. Okay, see you in a bit.